to 10 knots, becoming west this afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Rain this morning with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, west winds 5. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Northwestern District of Columbia until 1 p.m. Saturday. At 6:55 a.m., the stream gauge at Rock Creek near Sherrill Drive indicated that river levels will rise to near minor flood stage within the hour. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chevy Chase, Martin's Additions, Adams Morgan, Silver Spring, Chevy Chase Village, Chevy Chase Section 3 of National Zoo. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy. Highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Fairfax, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for North Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:30 a.m., the stream gauge and difficult run near Wolf Trap continued to indicate rising water levels, indicating that flooding is still ongoing. Some locations that will experience flooding include Reston, Vienna, Falls Church, Puget Hills, McLean, Oakton, Tyson's Corner, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, Maryfield, I-66 and I-495 interchange, Dunlorry, West McLean and Bellevue. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, the flood warning has been canceled for the Northwestern District of Columbia. Water levels failed to reach flood stage and are no longer expected to pose a threat to life or property. Please continue to heed any road closures.